In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily take a screenshot on an iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. I'm gonna show you actually 4 different ways how we can take a screenshot. And the first and the most common way is to press at the same time volume up button located at the left edge of your device and the power button located at the right edge. Just press both of them at once and it will take a screenshot. Then we can tap at screenshot and then we can edit it. We can crop it by dragging these edges. We can select any tool from that toolbar and then we can draw here something. And then to save a screenshot, tap at done and then save to photos. After that, we can easily find our screenshot at Photos app. Here it is. Now I'm going to show you another 3 ways how we can take a screenshot. So guys, one more way how we can take a screenshot is to use Siri. Just long press power button and then say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot." Take a screenshot. Siri will take a screenshot and after that we'll be able to edit it and then save it to our camera roll. In the same way. One more way to take a screenshot is to use the action button. To do that, we need to head over to Settings, then scroll down and get into Accessibility. On Accessibility settings, tap at Touch and then Assistive Touch. That's where you can easily find single tap, get into it, and that's where we need to search screenshot. Check mark screenshot and then go back to settings. On settings, we need to get into action button and that's where we need to search for accessibility. After that, tap at choose a feature and then scroll down until you find assistive touch. After that, once we tap at the action button, once we hold on the action button actually, it will show us that floating home button here and all we have to do to take a screenshot is just tap on it. It will take a screenshot and then we can save it in the same way. We can take multiple screenshots by tapping at that button and if you would like to hide it, just hold on action button again. One more way to take a screenshot, if you would like, let's say, to take a screenshot by double or triple tap at the back side of your device. I'm gonna show you how you can easily configure it in that way. So guys, first off, head over to settings. I'm gonna show you from the beginning. Then scroll down and get into accessibility. Then get into touch. And then scroll down to the very bottom until you find back tap. That's where we need to select double tap or triple tap. I'm going to choose double tap. And then in that list we need to search for a screenshot. And then once we double tap at the back side of our device in that way, it will take a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. That's it. These are the 4 different methods how we can easily take a screenshot on an iPhone 15. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.